very good question was put across to me. What do you think about the millennials?
Okay.
Then my idea on this is they are a can of mixed jewels.
Nice way to put it.
Honestly, they're such beautiful humans.
Yeah.
I think that the problem is not with them.
Yeah.
The problem is all the quick things that are put in front of them. From the time they are very little, they have your televisions is there, maybe social medias are there. You can't blame them for their
Too many
speed.
distractions. Too many distractions. Definitely. Yes.
You can't blame them for the
Yeah,
speed.
I agree.
However, don't you think this speed can be utilized in a very positive way?
Absolutely. Yes. Especially like why see they have to set a boundary for themselves. See, it is not their fault that they're born in this generation, this time, and there are too many distractions for them. Even parents, when they come, the child is not studying, so we tell parents that it's not their fault. Then you have to make the atmosphere conducive for their studies. So for them, the millennials, they just have to take care that they should not go overboard. They have to set a limit that at the time of studying they should be focused on that area, and when there is time for entertainment and networking, then they should focus on that. They have to set some boundaries for themselves, definitely.
That I agree. Apart from that, they, as you were talking on boundaries, they also have a habit of being extremes. So if they party, they want to party extreme.
That is what setting limits is about.
No, so honestly, at this time, the parents are, they don't do this and don't do that, which they definitely dislike. But here, if they themselves have that understanding that I went to 3 parties already and enjoyed ample, it's okay now to focus on my studies or to focus on where I have to go ahead and
But that also depends, Vijay, I agree with you, but on the parenting style also, how the child is conditioned, what kind of atmosphere is there in the house. If the parents are setting certain boundaries with a lot of freedom, so the child gets into that habit. So it's a joint effort, through the parents as well as the children. And another thing that I want to really send this message across is that selfie trend. No doubt it is a very good thing, but they're going overboard with being such incidences, everyday mishaps. They're anywhere at the top of the mountain or edge of a cliff, they're just taking selfies. So they need to be just aware about these things. I have a request to the millennials, sincere request, that just be careful. You are very focused, I appreciate. They're very intelligent generation, very focused, but please do take care of yourself.